Good afternoon, I'm meteorologist Chase Graham. We're breaking into programming right now because the National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a tornado watch for most of the upstate of South Carolina and most of western North Carolina. We have this line of thunderstorms associated with the remnants of Tropical Storm Nate that is moving through our area right now. We'll have to see if any warnings are issued with this line of thunderstorms, and for now, we'll send you back to your regularly scheduled programming. Good afternoon, I'm meteorologist Chase Graham. We're breaking into programming right now because the National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Rutherford, Cleveland, Catawba, Burke, and Lincoln counties until 4:30 this afternoon. The warning was issued at 3:59, and what we've got to be concerned about is this area right here on the Rutherford-Cleveland County line. You can see right here we have this area of precipitation flowing into the storm from the south. We've got precipitation wrapping around on the backside, and right here is where we'd have to be concerned for some possible rotation. If we take a look on the velocity signature, you can see this area of, you can't really see, but the green tones is wind coming back toward the radar. The radar is located down in Greenville, South Carolina. So right here we've got winds coming back in to the radar like this. Down here we have winds going away from the radar. And right here where these two meet, we would be concerned for a possible tornado. We have no confirmation of a tornado on the ground. There were reports of tornadoes earlier down in Spartanburg County, but we haven't seen anything from Rutherford or Cleveland County so far. But just to be safe, we'll go through the tornado safety procedures. Make sure that if you are under the warning right now, you get to an interior room. That means no windows on the lowest level of your home. If you don't have a basement, try to find some kind of closet on the first level of your home. Crouch low to the floor, covering your head and neck, and if it's possible, get underneath a sturdy object like a pool table and cover yourself with pillows or blankets. And the National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued another warning for Burke, Caldwell, Alexander, and Catawba counties until 5:15 p.m. We're concerned about this area right here on the Burke-Caldwell County line near the cities of Valdez and Drexel, moving off to the northeast at 70 miles per hour. So this storm, even though it's located here on radar right now, may already be heading up into southern Caldwell County. So right now, the areas that need to be concerned with this storm, Morganton, you're on the backside of this storm. You might see some heavy winds and heavy precipitation, but you are not under any threat for a tornado. On the east side, Hickory. If you are in the city limits of Hickory, you need to get underground now because this circulation is going to track very close to the city of Hickory. If you know anyone who lives in Granite Falls or Lenoir, also make sure that they are heeding this warning right now by getting underground. If we take a look at the velocity signature, this once again is a measure of the winds going away from and toward the radar. So we have winds going away from the radar here, winds coming in toward the radar here, and right in the middle is where we might expect some kind of precipitation. This is all moving off to the north and east at 70 miles per hour. So even if you don't see the tornado, you might see some strong straight line winds on the eastern side of this circulation. Another view, this is the storm relative velocity. This looks at the winds subtracting out the motion of the storm. And here's that couplet right here in far eastern Burke County, moving off to the northeast at 70 miles per hour.